To make your trees look a little fuller, you need these stems on your branches. 3. You can use 5. You can use as many as you want. Just keep in mind, when you're using more beads, the more you use, the longer your wire is going to have to be. For your standard 3 and 5, I would use 24 gauge wire in the length of 24 inches at least. And let's begin. It's very simple. Get your wire and begin collecting your beads. I would collect 3 to start, or 4. Okay, so I collected 4. Match your wires up right at the ends. Pinch them and begin to twist. I would twist at least 7-8 times, depending on how tight you want it. Next, important step, spread those out. Grab one of your ends, either side, it doesn't matter. Collect 3 beads. Okay, let them fall. Now, push them up. Grab this end and meet it right there where you stopped. That's what it should look like. Pinch it and begin to twist. Don't twist too tight, because then you're going to risk having your wire snap. Okay. Then grab it like that and twist it 3 times. And like I said, it depends on how tight you want it, how loose you want it, but that's your standard. Next, depending on how many times you twist it this way, you want to end up with the even wires at the end when you're finished. So obviously this is the longer side you're going to have to put beads on. Make sure it's on the side that you want the beads to go. If it's the opposite side, just twist one more time. Then I'll show you what I mean when we're done this. Let's get that guy, and we'll do that one. Okay. Ooh, that's too many. Okay, 4 more. We'll let them drop. And you're going to do the same thing. Push them up a little bit and just kind of hold them. Meet this wire right there and begin to twist until they make that nice little flower shape. And it's not too tight. If it's too loose, go ahead and keep twisting. But you don't want it too tight. That's what it should look like. Put it up a little bit. Finger right there, and your fingers are holding the rest of the wire down, and you're going to gently pull up and twist. Okay? Now if you're going to stick with just the 3, this should be completely even, which it is, for the most part. If it's completely uneven, you put too many beads on one side. And sometimes that's okay, but if you're like me, I like everything even at the end. So let's do one with 5. If you want a small one, stick to the one set of beads. But I like mine to end up looking fuller like this. This is obviously not done, but it will be. And I'll show it to you at the end of the video. And all you're going to do with all of them is just keep on adding. You want to add more beads, that's fine too. So I'm going to go ahead and add these 4, let them drop. And the more that you add, I guess the longer that you're going to want this wire to be a little bit. It's your preference. That looks good. And we're going to twist this 3 times. 3, or at least on the side that I need it long, which it is. Good. Because not all stems are perfect on any tree, right? And then I'll show you real quickly how to put those together and how they look. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me. I answer everyone. Any suggestions, I welcome them. And if you like the video, go ahead and please subscribe and hit the like button and put your alert on so you can get my next video I post. That's looking really cute. My email address will be right there in the corner of your screen. And you can email me any questions you have. Send me photos of your trees you've been making. Okay, perfect. And the wires are nice and matched at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and put these 2 here together. Same concept as if it were just the single one like I showed you before. But if you're new, you didn't see it. Okay, put them both together like so. Okay, and gently pull up and twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Depends on how long you want your branch. Twist it more, twist it less if you want a tighter tree. Here's one with just 3. I'm going to go ahead and add that one down a little lower. And this is how your branches will start to look. Really pretty. You can arrange them any way that you like. Love it.